Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Valkyrie Makeup. Hi. I am back. I took a break and I am back with something really good. Yep. So I have in my hands the James Charles Morphe Artistry palette. Very beautiful box. Gonna keep this forever because this is the closest I'll get to James Charles.
And the back says, "Hi sisters. James Charles here and welcome back to my palette. I love glam, but I also love a huge passion. Whoops. I also have a huge passion for crazy, colorful, outside of the box makeup, and I created this palette with that in mind. I included every beautifully formulated shade necessary to create literally any look you could possibly imagine. I can't wait to see what you come up with when you unleash your inner artist."
And I really appreciate this because I love art, so. Me and James. And of course, it's hashtag MorpheXJamesCharles at Morphe Brushes, Morphe Babe. James Charles, hello sister. Alright. On the cover, it is a fashion statement. I mean, people are reviewing this, so this is my first impressions. Look at this fashion statement and this art statement. It is beautiful. He is literally a beautiful canvas. I love James. Opening it. Wow, you can tell I haven't filmed the video in like 3 months. All right, beautiful box, beautiful description, hashtags. And bubble wrap, and here is the palette. I love black. It is my favorite color. That is beautiful, sleek, shiny. His signature feels nice, feels good. Huge palette for $39. It's a good price. I think it's a good price. And then we open it up. And here is the gorgeousness. Unleash your inner artist. And here it is. Right here. Also, let's appreciate the fact that I have a marble tree. Just want to point that out. You see the Thor right there. Underneath Iron Man and Captain America. And I'm wearing a Joker hat. Welcome to Valkyrie Makeup. Anyway, this is beautiful. I bought this palette specifically for the colors. These colors! The colors on the top are
Canvas, Ring Light, So Good, 518, Rusted, Halloween, Wig, Tea, Punch Me, Sister, Mary, Literally, You're Kidding, Shook, Boutique, Benny, Flashback, Facetune, Code James, 10% off, No Beans, Spooky, B, Guac, Hello, Playground, Brother, Artistry, Love That, Pinkity Drinkity, Social Blade, Daddy, Cape Cod, Cola, Acapella, Escape, Single, and Skip. They're on the shades.
Alright, so I'm just going to get into it, and then I will tell you what I think. Right away, I know that this is a palette that I can use for cosplaying because of the different shade ranges and the different characters that I like to cosplay. So right away, this is an all-in-one, and I believe that some of these shades can be used as highlights because I was watching him describe the colors and he was using the Morphe spray, the sister spray, to make highlights, I think, out of these, or maybe these, I don't know, but I saw him do it. I was watching. Alright, let's get started. I don't know what eye look I want to do. I'm wearing crazy hair and black lace and a Joker hat, so I'm not sure what look I want to do, but let me just prime my eyes and get started with this Too Faced 24-hour shadow. I feel like the old G YouTubers. The OGs. Alright, you know what, I really like the purple. This shimmering purple, so I think I might just go with that. But for my crease color, I might do a green and purple. Joker. This inspired by my hat. Yeah, I think I'm doing that. Okay, I'm gonna take this dark green shade, which is called Daddy, and just put it in my crease.
I wish that this palette did have a mirror though, so that I can kind of see what I'm doing. That would have been nice.
Can't really see that purple glitter. There we go. For the glittery shade, you can't really see it that well. I should have used the purple underneath. But I sprayed it with a setting spray. And it came on. And then underneath, I think I might use a blue. And the purple that's underneath the glitter purple. And I might go into that bright green too, just to get it Joker vibe. I think that you need to have that Morphe spray. I feel like, I don't know, the color payoff is a little, I heard somebody say this, and I'm trying to experience it for myself, not letting other people influence my decisions, because I'm not like that, but I feel like if I didn't have the spray or a really good primer, the colors, you have to have one of those thick primers. Alright. These are from Kiss, and they were actually 70-something cents after the Halloween. Guys, after Halloween, buy the Halloween lashes. And not all of them, as you can see, these are really dramatic. But not all of them are like with glitter or for Halloween type looks. I got some dramatic lashes for 74 cents. I bought a couple, so I'll spy them at Walmart.
Not that this video is sponsored, but it probably should be. And for cosplaying, I really like, or character type makeup, I love dramatic lashes. It just brings the character to life with those animated eyes. Yes. Oh, ready to see James. Ready for a meet and greet.
Yep. Okay, I'm gonna use one of his shades as a blush. Remember, I don't have any foundation on. This is my skin. Yes, ooh, yes, been taking care of my skin because I've been breaking out. So this is natural. I'm going to take this peachy shade. Oh, my Joker is white, so it doesn't really have. It just has relevance. I'm gonna take this peachy shade right here, and if I put this down, I believe. Oh,
already got it dirty. It is. You're kidding. I might mix that with Rusted as a blush shade.
oh yeah. And I don't mind if it's strong because somehow we're turning into SFX with this Joker look. So I don't mind it at all. I feel like this is very good for taking for clients also, because you have options to explore. And as a makeup artist, I appreciate other artists that think about that. So instead of carrying a whole bunch of products, you can possibly carry something like this that's multi-purposeful. And which is another reason why I bought it, because I'm not just going to use this for me. I'm probably going to use this on my clients. And I will be able to create bold looks, especially for the holidays.
And for highlight, this cute unicorn blush, I am going to use this shade right here. It's called Backwards Face. I'm going to use Face as a highlight. I was watching him. I think it was the Ace family. If you guys watch them, their vlogs. I just started watching them because of James. He did the wife's makeup. I'm not familiar with the family, but I did watch. So he did her makeup, and he was using, I believe, this shade as a highlighter, and I was like, I can do that.
Yes, you can. Oh yes, I'm looking very Jokerish right now. I'm gonna fill my brows actually. Green. I'm gonna use the green to fill my brows. That daddy shade. I don't know if you guys can see that, but my brows are green. So this is a really good palette for cosplaying. Let me get my SFX stuff, but I have to take my James palette away because I don't want it to get all busted. I'll be right back. Marvel at my tree.